Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we'll guide you through a relaxing meditation to help you fall asleep faster and enjoy a restful night. Find a comfortable spot in your bed or on a cozy chair. Dim the lights and take a few deep breaths to relax. Start from your toes and work your way up. Focus on each body part, releasing tension as you go. Imagine a warm, soothing light washing over you, melting away stress. Begin by finding a comfortable and quiet place where you won't be disturbed. Sit or lie down in a relaxed position. Close your eyes and take a deep breath in, filling your lungs completely, and then exhale slowly, letting go of any initial tension. Now, bring your attention to your toes. Wiggle them gently and then let them relax. Feel the muscles in your toes releasing any tightness. Picture a warm golden light enveloping your toes, bringing a sense of calm and relaxation. Next, move your focus to the soles of your feet. Imagine the warm light spreading from your toes to the arches and heels of your feet. Feel the tension melting away as the light moves through each part. Visualize the muscles in your feet softening and relaxing. Take a moment to appreciate the sensation of relaxation in your feet. Now shift your attention to your ankles. Rotate them gently to release any stiffness. Picture the warm light moving up from your feet to your ankles, soothing and relaxing the muscles and joints. Feel the warmth and relaxation spreading through your ankles, making them feel light and free of tension. Continue this process, moving your focus up to your calves. Imagine the warm light traveling up from your ankles to your calves, enveloping them in a soothing glow. Feel the muscles in your calves relaxing and releasing any tightness. Take a deep breath in, and as you exhale, let go of any remaining tension in your calves. Next, bring your attention to your knees. Visualize the warm light moving up from your calves to your knees, surrounding them with a comforting glow. Feel the muscles and joints in your knees relaxing and becoming more flexible. Take a moment to appreciate the sensation of relaxation in your knees. Now focus on your thighs. Imagine the warm light traveling up from your knees to your thighs, enveloping them in a soothing glow. Feel the muscles in your thighs relaxing and releasing any tightness. Take a deep breath in, and as you exhale, let go of any remaining tension in your thighs. Continue this process, moving your focus up to your hips. Picture the warm light moving up from your thighs to your hips, surrounding them with a comforting glow. Feel the muscles and joints in your hips relaxing and becoming more flexible. Take a moment to appreciate the sensation of relaxation in your hips. Now bring your attention to your lower back. Imagine the warm light traveling up from your hips to your lower back, enveloping it in a soothing glow. Feel the muscles in your lower back relaxing and releasing any tightness. Take a deep breath in, and as you exhale, let go of any remaining tension in your lower back. Continue this process, moving your focus up to your upper back. Picture the warm light moving up from your lower back to your upper back, surrounding it with a comforting glow. Feel the muscles in your upper back relaxing and releasing any tightness. Take a moment to appreciate the sensation of relaxation in your upper back. Now focus on your shoulders. Imagine the warm light traveling up from your upper back to your shoulders, enveloping them in a soothing glow. Feel the muscles in your shoulders relaxing and releasing any tightness. Take a deep breath in, and as you exhale, let go of any remaining tension in your shoulders. Continue this process, moving your focus down to your arms. Picture the warm light moving from your shoulders to your upper arms, elbows, forearms, wrists, and hands. Feel the muscles in your arms relaxing and releasing any tightness. Take a moment to appreciate the sensation of relaxation in your arms. Finally, bring your attention to your neck and head. Imagine the warm light traveling up from your shoulders to your neck, jaw, and face, enveloping them in a soothing glow. Feel the muscles in your neck and face relaxing and releasing any tightness. Take a deep breath in, and as you exhale, let go of any remaining tension in your neck and face. As you complete this progressive relaxation exercise, take a moment to notice how your entire body feels. Enjoy the sensation of deep relaxation and calm that now fills your body. When you're ready, slowly open your eyes and return to your day, carrying this sense of relaxation with you. Picture a serene location, a beach, a forest, or a peaceful garden. Describe the details, the sound of waves, the rustling leaves, or the scent of flowers. Inhale deeply for a count of 4, hold for 4, and exhale for 4. Let's repeat this calming breath pattern together. Just follow my lead. Now imagine floating on a cloud, weightless and free. Feel how the cloud gently cradles you, rocking softly as you drift into dreamland. Let's repeat some positive affirmations silently or aloud. Say with me, I am safe, I am relaxed, sleep comes easily to me. As you continue to breathe deeply, let go of any remaining thoughts. Thank you for joining us. Sweet dreams.